Tell me, question, tell me. Is he here some? Yes, it is not a correct way. Right, tell me.
Wait, sir, I can show. Wait. I will see.
Yes. A little bit, you have to take some time, no problem. Yes, tell me, Nana. Nana, this is for doubt purpose only. All of you can ask Nana. You don't worry. I will give the information. If it is under the cover topic, completed topic, then I will discuss. Otherwise, Nana, this will be under the next topic. I will say like that. Nana, tell me.
Sir, 43rd.
Yes, tell me. Don't worry. 43rd. 43rd question. Which question is Nana? Tell me.
A
Question.
bus traveling the first
First,
1/3 distance.
a bus traveling.
The first 1/3 distance
The first 1/3 distance
at a speed of
at a speed of
10 km per hour.
10 km per hour.
The next 1/3
The next 1/3
at 20 km per hour.
at 20 km per hour.
And at last
And at last
1/3 at 60 km per hour.
1/3 at 60 km per hour. Then what is the average speed of the bus?
Yes.
Is it okay, Nana? Then average speed of the bus, Nana. You don't worry. Yes, just listen. Don't say anything, Nana. Please, all good question. Already we have discussed this question for two different purposes, and three also completed. Yes, two different distances, but here three different distances. A bus traveling the first 1/3 distance at a speed of 10 kilometers. Let it be total distance S. Let it be A, B, town A and town B. In between these two buses traveling. So total distance is S. 1/3 of the distance it is traveling with 10 km per hour. The next 1/3 at 20 km per hour. And the last 1/3 is at 60 km per hour. So V1 is given, V2 is given, V3 is given. Now this is S by 3, this is S by 3, this is S by 3. This S by 3 distance is traveling with this much velocity, this much speed, this is this much speed, this is with this much speed. So it is traveling this type of, yes, it is traveling like that. Now V1 is given, but you know that V average is equals to total distance S1 plus S2 plus S3 by T1, total time T1 plus T2 plus T3. Here T is not given, Nana. Time for this one, time for this one, time for this one not given. Just V1, V2, V3 given. So for that purpose, what I am doing, you know that V is equals to S by T, Nana. Time plus T is equals to S by V. S is how much, Nana? Yes, yes, for T1. S is how much? T1, S1. S1 is how much? S by 3. And V1 is how much? 10. So finally, yes, I am keeping like that only. Next, T2. T2, S2 by V2. S2 is how much, Nana? S by 3. V2 is how much, Nana? 20. Next, T3. T3, S3. S3 is how much, Nana? S by 3. This is how much, Nana? 60. 60. Right, Nana? Just I am substituting all those values. I got T1, T2, T3 also. Right, Nana? So this is S1, S2, S3. S1 is given, S2 is given, S3 is given. So S by 3 plus S by 3 plus S by 3. Total, Nana? S, because total distance traveled is S. Now all S by 3, LCM 3, S plus S plus S, 3S by 3, 3 cancel. T1 is how much, Nana? S by 3 by 10 plus S by 3 plus 3 by 16, Nana. So 3 into S by 3 divided by, now S by 3 I am taking common, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. So S by 3 cancel, Nana. In the numerator, what is there, Nana? 3. In the denominator, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60, Nana. So I am taking LCM in the denominator only. So the LCM 10, 20, 20, yes, 60, Nana, LCM. Right? 10, 20, 60. So 10, 1, 2, 6, Nana. 6 to the 120. 3, Nana. 3 to the 6, 60. Yes, 60 is the LCM, Nana. So for that purpose, 60 LCM. So then what do you have to do, Nana? Yes, 10 divided by 60, 6 plus 3 plus 1, Nana. So 3 by 6 plus 3 plus 1, 10 by 60, Nana. Then what do you have to do? So 0, 0 cancel, 1 by 60, it is going to 3 by 1 into 6 by 1, 18 kilometer per hour. Yes, Nana. Is it clear? Answer is 18 kilometer per hour. Nana, who asked this question? Please check it
Yes,
once.
sir.
Yes, right. Listen, this problem also you can do directly by doing, without doing all these things. You can do, Nana. Exactly half of the distance, like that. I given two concepts. Exactly half of the distance, exactly half of the time. Suppose exactly half of the time is given, then you take V1 plus V2 plus V3 by 3, like that. V1 plus V2 by 2. Suppose 3 are given, plus 3. Suppose 3 are given, then V1 plus V2 plus V3 by 3. Anna, you will get the video because one call is coming to me. So you don't worry. Just after completion of the call, you will get the video, Nana. All right, listen, Nana. See here, for 2, exactly half of the distance. So suppose 2 separate distances are there, na? So V1 plus V2 by 2. Exactly, not half of distance, exactly half of the time. This is the formula. Exactly half of the distance. Yes, formula is what? 1 by, yes, V average, not getting up. V average is equals to 2V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. This is coming from simply 1 by 2 by V1 plus. Right now, just keep like that. This is the formula for 2 different steps, different stages is given. For this problem, V average formula is 3 V1 V2 plus 3. Tell me, Nana, problem. Which problem it is? Yes, simply V average is equals to 1 by 3 by V average is equals to 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3, Nana. This is the formula. This for this one, 2 by V is equal, V average is equals to 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2, Nana. These two are the formulas. Yes, you can substitute directly in this formula, 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3, Nana. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. So 3 by V average is equals to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60, Nana. So you can also do like this. 1 by V average is equals to LCM is 60. So here 6, here 3, here 1. So 10 by 60. So 0, 0 cancel, 1 by 6. So V average by 3 is equals to 6 by 1. So V average is equals to 3 into 6, 18 kilometers per hour. Is it clear, Nana? That is a shortcut, Nana. We have discussed this one. We have discussed these formulas. We have discussed these concepts, Nana. We have discussed these concepts, Nana. Yes. Nana, who asked me? Actually, there is a shortcut. You can use this formula. Suppose 4 are there, then 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 is there. Then what we have to do? 4 by V average is
Average
equals
equals
to.
to
Tell me.
1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3 plus 1 by V4.
That's it. You can use that formula. In the entrance, like that only you have to be solved. Right, Anna? You must use that type of discussion, that type of formulas only to do the problems speed. The little in the small, just time interval also you can decrease now. Suppose exactly half of the time is given, 4 different stages. First 1/4 of the exactly 1/4 of the time it was traveled with some speed V1. Next 1/4 with V2. Next 1/4 with V3. Next 1/4 last 1/4 with V4. Then what is the average speed, Nana, for a whole journey? V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 by 4 now. Right? Exactly half of the time, general formula. But exactly half of the distance, you must use this one. 1 by. 2 are there, 2 by. 3 are there, 3 by. 4 are there, 4 by. 5 are there, 5 by. Like that. You must use Nana. Yes, is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. If you want, you can take screenshot. If you want, you can take screenshot now. Right? Any other? Anna, so many members ask me.
Fourth problem.
Fourth problem. Yes, tell me question, because I have sent different problems now. After the class, yes, which one is suitable to you? Just that I sent you. Right, Nana? So if you say the question, then only I will give the reply. If you send only answer, what is that, Nana? I am not
Sir.
able to. Tell me.
Sir, a particle starts moving from rest under uniform acceleration if
Yes.
it travels a distance x in the first 2 seconds and a distance
Okay.
y in the next 2 seconds. If y equals to nx, then n equals to.
Yes, n value they asked. Right, Nana? Yes,
Yes.
very good. Yes, we have to discuss, Nana. Yes, tell me a question. Question number 4. A
10.
particle. 10.
A
particle
starts moving
starts
From-
moving
from rest
from rest
under uniform acceleration.
under uniform acceleration. Right, Nana.
It travels a distance
It travels a distance
x
x
in the first 2 seconds.
in the first 2 seconds.
And a distance y
And distance y
in the next 2 seconds.
in the next 2 seconds.
If y equals to nx,
If y is equals to nx,
then n is equals to.
then n is equals to. Very good question, Nana. Yes. A particle starts moving from rest under uniform accelerated motion. This is a very important sentence, Nana. From rest, u is equals to 0. Right, Nana? Solution, I am saying. Just given things I am collecting. From rest, u is equals to, yes, initial velocity is 0. Under uniform acceleration, then you can use all the equations of motion what we have derived in the classroom. Right, Nana? So equations of motion nothing but there are v is equals to u plus at, s is equals to ut plus A T square. V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. Sn is equals to U plus A into N minus half. From these four equations, which equation is suitable? Yes, the next step is acceleration. It travels distance x in the first 2 seconds. So it was traveled 2 seconds, Nana. Distance x, s is equals to x is given, time t is equals to 2 is given. Which formula is suitable, Nana? This formula or this formula?
S equals to UT.
S is equals to ut plus of 8 square. Why it is not, Nana? Why it is not a suitable formula? Why? Because it is for nth second, third second, fourth second, like that. Like that he asked in the question. Then you can go for this formula. But he is asking what, Nana? Simply in 2 seconds, in the first 2 seconds, in total 1 and 2 total seconds. So for total distance x. So I am adapting this formula. So s is equals to ut plus of 8 square, Nana. S is equals to what, Nana? X. U is equals to 0 into t is equals to 2. 1 by 2 a. Actually, a is not given, Nana. Just I am keeping like that only. Right? Now a t square. T is how much, Nana? 2 seconds whole square. So x is equals to 1 by 2 into a into 4. 2 ones are 2
2
2s
twos
are,
are.
x is equals to 2a. Just let it be equation number 1. Right, Nana? Now after that, just this it was over. Up to here over. Next, and the distance y in the next 2 seconds. Distance y, yes, again distance is given y. T is given in 2 seconds. That's why again I am selecting this formula. Right, Nana? So, but here, one thing you must observe, Nana. It was started from rest. Right? It was started from rest. So that's why u is 0. This is applicable for this section only. It was started at here. It was ended at here. This total journey is, let us consider 4 seconds, Nana. So it was in the first 2 seconds. It was started from journey, but in time taken 2 seconds. Distance x. So in 2 seconds, it will travel some distance, Nana, and it is getting some velocity. At here, some final velocity is there. So here, initial velocity not equals to 0. Right, Nana? Initial velocity not equals to 0. In this case, this is the initial velocity. So what is that? Is how much? For that purpose, I am calculating v is equals to u plus 18 on a formula. Right? U is how much, Nana? For this section only, I am selecting. I am calculating this v. This v is equals to u. This final velocity of this first 2 seconds is acting as a initial velocity of the second 2 seconds. Next 2 seconds. Right, Nana? Is it clear? If you
Yes,
clear
sir.
this about this one, then you will get everything, Nana. Yes. For that purpose, I am calculating final velocity for this section. So u is how much, Nana? 0
0.
for this section. Plus a, t is how much, Nana?
2.
2 seconds. So u is equals to 2a, Nana. So this u is equals to how much, Nana? 2a. It is how much? 2a meter by second.
Seconds.
2a. U is equals to 2a meter by second, Nana. Right? U is equals to 2a meter by second. Then what do you have to do? Yes, again, s is equals to ut plus half
AT
at
square.
Right, Nana? So s is equals to y. U is equals to how much, Nana? 2a.
2a.
T is equals to how much?
2.
2 plus 1 by 2 a t square, Nana.
4.
2 square. Right? So 2 into 2, 4a plus 1 by 2 a cancel to 2a, Nana. So finally 6a you got, Nana. So but one condition is given, Nana. If then n is equal to how much? If y equal to nx, then y is equal to how much? He asked that one, Nana. So y is equals to nx. So here y is equals to, I got 6a nana. So just y equal to, I am writing nx. They given in the question nana. Is equals to 6a nana. Then what is asking nana? Question.
n.
So but x also I got nana from the equation number 1. N into x is how much? 2a. Right, Anna? We have derived. That is equals to 6a. A cancel. 2 1 the 2 3 the. So n is equals to 3 Anna answer. It
Yes,
is
sir.
correct?
Answer is 3.
Simple. Just I didn't remember anything, Nana. What is there? Particle, right? Like bus starts moving from where? It is rest already is in motion. This rest position is up to where and moving under uniform or non-uniform. Then what are the different conditions are there? Just by understanding the question only you will get the solving method, Nana. If you study, suppose if you read the question, if you read the question at one time, then you will get what is there. Second time, yes, some known terms are there. Yes, and the third time, then automatically you will get the formula, which formula we have to use, like that, you will get the answer. Right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
All right. Take a screenshot, Nana.
Okay, sir.
Tell me, Nana.
In second situation, we can take u is equals to x, no, sir.
U is equals to, in the second situation, U is equals to x, y. Why, Nana?
U is equals to x in first equation we got, no, sir.
You don't worry. Take, Nana. Take, no problem. 2a. 2a is equals to, you can take x, and here you will get in terms of x. In terms of x, Nana. You will get x cancel. You will get n. Here n cancel. No, just listen. She is saying 2a. 2a is nothing but a, sir, x. Yes, you can substitute at x. So in terms of x, 2a, x, 2x. You are getting 2x. Yes, 2x here and 2a again x. 3x. 2x plus 3x, 2x plus x, 3x. Y equal to 3x you are getting definitely. But y equal to 3x is looking like a y is equals to nx. By comparing these two equations, n is how much, Nana? She is saying, what she is saying, I think understood. I hope everyone, you got her point. Right, Nana? See, she is asking, sir, u is equal to a, you got, na? But I got in the equation number 1, x equal to a. Can I substitute there x? You don't worry, Nana, you can substitute. Like this situation, you will get, Nana. Another method. You don't worry. Right. Next. Very good, Nana. Next. Is there any?
Sir, a particle of unit mass
Next question.
undergoes one. Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, Nana. Which question it is? A particle of?
Unit mass undergoes one-dimensional motion
All right, Nana.
such that its velocity varies according to v of x is equals to beta x power minus 2n.
I
Where
think it is fifth question, in the first list of questions, from the first list of
Fourth
questions.
question.
Fourth question. All right, tell me, Nana. Someone is asked. Ajay also asked, what is the fourth question, sir? Please explain me. Yes, tell me, Nana.
A particle of unit mass
A particle of unit mass
undergoes one-dimensional motion
undergoes 1D motion
such that
its
its velocity varies
varies
according to Vx is equals to beta x power minus
v of x is equals to
beta x power minus 2n,
minus 2n,
where beta
is equals to where beta
and n
and n are constants. Yes, are constants. Next,
And x is the position of the particle.
x is the position of the particle, and x is the position of the particle.
The
Then
acceleration of the particle.
the acceleration
The particle
of the particle. Then
as a function of x.
as a function of x. Okay,
By
that is the question. That is the question, right? A particle of unit mass undergoes 1D motion such that its velocity varies according to. So, yes, I am doing the solution. V of x is given, that is equal to beta x to the power of minus 2n, where beta and n are the constants. X is the position of the particle. The acceleration of the particle as a function of x. Acceleration A. Acceleration A is equals to general formula. Tell me now general formula. I told you already. It may be in terms of t or it may be in terms of x or s. There are two different types of accelerations, Nana. In the previous problem, we did the problem based on the uniform accelerated motion. But this is, yes, acceleration. General formula. First tell me, acceleration formula, tell me. Acceleration formula, mathematical equation. General equation, acceleration, instantaneous acceleration. dv by dt, Nana. dv by dt. But it is a variable t here. But in this, there is no t, Nana, v. In the v, what is given in the question, there is no v, there is no t, time. There is no time, Nana. For that purpose, then what you have to do? First of all, you have to convert it into some other form. Into. I am multiplying with dx and dividing with dx, Nana. I given this discussion in the classroom also, but again I am giving. Yes. Then I am interchanging these two terms, Nana. dv by dx into dx by dx, dx by dt. Right, Nana? dv by dx, I am keeping like that only. But dx by dt, what is the, Nana? Time, rate of change of displacement. Nothing but a. Tell me, Nana. dx by dt. Time, rate of change of displacement. Nana, anyone? Velocity. Very good, Nana. So, dv by dx into v. But here, yes, variable is x. Now, yes, it is also in terms of x, Nana. Why I converted this like this? Here, in the given question, in the given equation, there is no time terms, Nana, because there are only position terms, Nana. That's why I am doing like this. So, first of all, yes, d by v I am keeping like that only, here only. Now, d by dx of v nothing but a v of x, Nana. So, beta x to the power of minus 2n. Nana, from here onwards, you know very well. But up to here, are you clear? The importance of this problem is up to here only, Nana. From here onwards, this is a differentiation. You know very well, Nana. Yes, yes, before this one. Why I converted this like this, Nana? Because in a given question, there is no time terms in the velocity equation. There is only position terms, Nana. So, v, beta is a constant outside. Beta d by dx of x to the power of minus 2n. So, v, beta, d by dx of x to the power of, it is looking like a d by dx of x to the power of n. X to the power of n, it is looking like a outside. Tell me formula. Is it clear, Nana? Formula n into x to the power of n minus 1. V beta and d by dx of x to the power of minus 2n. Then minus 2n into x to the power of minus 2n minus 1. Is it clear? Is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
What I did here, just differentiation. Now see here, beta outside, b is there, Nana? B is what, Nana? Beta x to the power of minus 2n, just beta x to the power of minus 2n. Instead of d, I am writing this equation. Next, into beta minus 2n x to the power of yes, options. Tell me the options, Nana, because according to the options only I am modifying that question, that answer. Tell me the options. Options, Nana.
Minus 2 beta square.
Minus 2 beta square.
X power minus 2n plus 1.
Right now. Yes, listen. Yes, in terms of that only I am converting. Minus 2n minus 1. See here, v, instead of v, I am substituting this one. Beta here, I am writing beta x to the power of minus 2n. Beta is there. Minus 2n, x to the power of minus 2n minus 1. Then what we have to do? Beta into beta. Beta square. First I am writing minus 2n here. Beta square. Minus 2n beta square. X to the power of minus 2n. X to the power of minus 2n minus 1. Nana. Tell me, both are looking like a to the power of m into a to the power of n. Nana. The formula for this is a to the power of m plus n. Bases are same. Powers you can add. X to the power of minus 2n minus 1. Nana. Right, Nana? So finally you will get minus 2n beta square x to the power of minus 4n minus 1. Nana. Minus 2n beta square x to the power of minus 4n minus 1. Nana. That is the option. Please check it once. Is it that option?
Yes, sir. Fourth option.
Yes. Fourth option. Just this is the mathematics, but this is the physics. Here only I use the physics. Why I have converted this one? Because it is in terms of x. That's why I am converting this into terms of position, Nana. X. Right? If you have any doubt, please ask me. Don't worry. Someone asked me, and I have sent you the WhatsApp also. In the group also I have sent this one. Who is it, Nana? Someone at the beginning of this problems. But when I sent you problems, at that time only you asked me. Yes, tell me. Is it clear, Nana? Is there any doubt? Nana, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt, Nana? No one is responding. Are you sleeping, Nana?
Sir, no doubt.
No doubt, no sleeping.
No doubt.
Both.
No doubt.
No doubt, Right, okay, Nana. Right.